Hi people, welcome to my platform. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, so we've got this question right here where we need to find the standard deviation. So the first thing that I would encourage you, or I will encourage you to take note, is the formula for standard deviation. So the formula I'm writing here is for finding a standard deviation. So the formula looks like this. I've got square root of summation of x, x squared, summation of f minus x bar squared. So this is the formula that you must know, okay? So all these are inside the square root, these two. Now, after finding or after identifying the formula, you find the x bar, which is the mean. So let me write it here, x bar. So this x bar means we are finding the mean, okay? So hopefully you're able to see there's a mean here. So just say x bar is equal to, okay, x bar is equal to, we now start writing these numbers. So I have a 0, open bracket, close, plus a 2, open bracket, close, plus a 5, open, close, plus a 7 there, open and close, plus 8, open and close, plus a 6, open and close, lastly, plus what? Plus a 2. Let me write it here. Plus a 2, open and close. Okay? So now, after doing this, after getting these numbers and we've done the open and close of brackets, we find what's supposed to be inside the brackets here. So in this case, we check at whichever frequency. Here there is a 0. Now on top, that's the number we're putting here. Here there is a 2, you're putting 11, a 12, a 13, 14, 15, and 16 right there. So now, everything, okay, everything on top, we say everything on top over a 30, okay? So this 30 is the total frequency when we add these numbers, okay? This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this, you are getting a 30. And this is what must be divided in. So we just get our calculator and we punch everything that we're able to see here. Okay, so we say 0 there, multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 11 plus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 13 plus 8 by 14 plus 6 by 15 plus 2 by 16. So when we work out everything here, when we work out everything, let's see nicely. Let me get my calculator so that I show you what I'm doing. So it will be 0, open bracket, 10, close, just like that. So you make sure that you punch everything. So when we punch all these, we are getting a 407. So we're getting a 407. And then we say divide by 30. So 407 divide by 30. 30, which is the total number. So it's giving us a 13.6666. Actually, here it's a 5.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 of these 6. So these two, okay, and the 7 here. So what you've just found here is the mean. So we found the mean, x bar, which we're supposed to put here. So let me write it here. X bar is equal to 13.666. Actually, here it's a 5. I don't know why I'm forgetting. 6, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. So this is our mean, and it's what we've calculated here. So the next thing that we need to find here is this one here. It's what we're supposed to put here, right here. For this, we found. Now for this, we don't know. So this is where we need to put a power 2 on this, okay? So just this same thing, we just put a power 2 here, power 2, power 2, power 2, power 2, power 2, and the power 2, okay? And then we punch on our calculator. It will be 0, open bracket, 10, close, power 2. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Plus 2, open, 11, close. So make sure you take your time and do the right thing. So just take your time and do the right thing. You discover that the answer that you're getting, or what you're going to get, will be a correct, or the correct answer that must be substituted in your formula, okay? So when you punch, this is what you're getting, I think. So it will be equal to 5, 5, 7, 5. And then you divide by 30 also. So when you divide by 30, we are simply getting a 185.8333. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. So after doing this, or upon finding these, we now get them, okay? We substitute in the formula. So let me show you. It will be equal to, this is standard deviation actually, the root of, okay, 185.8333333. Then we say minus, open bracket, 13.56666. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, and the power 2. So if you're able to see, I've just gotten this, substitute here, and this right here. And then we punch this on our calculator and see the value that we're getting. So we've got root over 185.8333333 minus 13.5666667, the power 2. So the answer is 1.3, like this. So this is our solution. 1. So the final answer that we are getting is 1.33. This is our answer. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Sichamba Jacob. Bye-bye.